Hello everyone, I am Qazi Mujawwiz. Welcome to EdTech. In this video, we are going to learn how to calculate total, percentage and grade. To calculate total, select the range of the cells and the cell where you want the result and use the auto sum function. You will get the result. One by one, you can select the data set and you can click the auto sum function. But if you have many records, so it will take a lot of time. So for that reason, we can do one thing: select all the records and the cell where you want the result and use the auto sum function. It will give the all the records total together. We can also use the autofill. Just use this, double click the autofill handle. It will give the results for all the students. We can also replicate this auto sum to other cells using the autofill handle. Now we are going to calculate percentage for Akhilesh. So we start with the equal sign, then select the total, then divide by 500 because we have 5 subjects. Now we have to multiply by 100 because the percentage overall is always calculated with 100 marks. Then you have a percentage for one student, that is Akhilesh. Now you have to replicate for other students. Just double click here, fill handle. It will calculate for the rest of the students. Before going to learn how to calculate grade, I want to show you something here. There is some special operators are used, that is greater than. If suppose the marks are 80, it will check only the values which is greater than 80. It will not check 80 because it is greater than 80. So if there is another condition less than and the marks are 80, it will check only the marks which is less than 80. It will not check equal and greater than. It will only check less than 80 marks. Then we have greater than and equal to 80. It will check the marks which is having greater than and equal to 80. Then there is another operator less than and equal to 80. It will check the marks only if the values are less than and equal to 80. Then we have equal 80. It will check only the marks which is having 80 values. So these are the 5 conditions to calculate the grade. So to calculate grade, type equal, then start with if, then bracket, the cell which you want to check the percentage greater than and equal to 80, then comma, double quote, start A plus, close the double quote. Now we have written a first condition, that is if the value of the K3 is greater than 80, then the result will be A plus. Now we have to use one more if. We are going to use nested if here because we are going to calculate multiple conditions, comma, if, bracket, select the cell greater than and equal to 70, comma, double quote start, A, close double quote, then comma, start another if, select the cell K3, then greater than or equal to 60, comma, double quote start, B, comma, one more if, bracket, select the cell greater than or equal to 60, comma, double quote, start C, close double quote, comma, one more if, select the cell greater than or equal to 50, comma, double quote start, C, comma, one more condition if, bracket, select the cell greater than and equal to 40, D, double quote close, comma, one more if for to check the last condition, that is for 35, that is less than and equal to 35, then write down here fail, close the double quote, and the number of brackets you have open for if we have to close it. So we have closed for we have opened the total 6 number of bracket here for if. Close the one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can check it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The last one. Now here you can see the result is calculated. Then replicate to the another cells. So here if you check it, the beauty of the Excel, if you change any value, if suppose the Achilles marks, if you change to another value, then if you type here 30, it will affect the total and percentage and fail. Similarly for another record also you can check it. Any record you can check it. So automatically it will change the result. That's all we have learned today: total, percentage and grade. In total we have learned about the sum function. In percentage we have seen the formula to calculate the percentage, and in grade we have learned how to use the if condition with different operators like a greater than and equal to, less than and equal to. We have calculated the grade. Hit the like button. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe it.